Bundle these up, the truck's here.
Loading complete. Process.
Careful with these premium leaves, the veins must stay intact.
Understood. Blossoms are delicate, I'm separating them now.
Quality check complete on this batch. Leaves are moving smoothly. Next set incoming. Keep the line steady.
These machines slice the leaves with incredible precision. Every cut is uniform, optimized for packaging. We're achieving peak efficiency on this line. Welcome to the largest high-tech banana factory. We're inspecting every premium banana blossom. Conveyor belts move non-stop through the processing lines.
This ensures only the highest quality products.
Scan confirms optimal moisture and zero defects on this batch. Automated systems flagged a minor irregularity. Let's isolate it. Rescan initiated. All parameters are now within packaging. Welcome to the largest high-tech banana factory, where hygiene is paramount. Workers sanitize the giant stainless steel cutting tables. Automated robots continuously disinfect of human and robotic efficiency. Load the premium blossom cartons onto truck 3. Check the seals. Copy that. Moving them now. Pallet secured. Ready for dispatch.
Dispatch looks clear, no issues. Confirmed. Monitoring shows stable metrics. Proceeding to final seal. Excellent. All systems are optimal.
Welcome to the largest high-tech banana factory.
The automated lines process leaves at 120 per minute.
Our robots ensure precision, quality, and sustainability. Impressive. The system is maintaining a rate of over 2,500 units per hour.
Yes, and the quality control is flawless. This line is a marvel of efficiency.
Let's check the packaging integrity. Team, the export numbers are in. We did it. Unbelievable. The line's running perfectly. Look at them go. That's global reach. To the next milestone. Keep it up.